Hello friends, this is Dhruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I'm going to do painting which I have learned from a YouTube video. I'll link that video in the description box. If you guys want to learn that same thing, you can go and watch that video. It's really amazing and easy. And yes, and next thing, today I'm going to show you my childhood paintings and drawings which I have done throughout my life. So it's going to be a lot of fun, so watch this video till end. And yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so I have removed this whole big little box which has a lot of painting, colors and everything, my old things. See, I have these paint brushes, a lot of brushes, but all are like kiddish type, nothing that professional. But I have seen couple of videos and couple of people doing painting, so let's see. I'll also try it today. Okay guys, so today I have done this and it is really done very beautifully. And I have done, since like in this quarantine period, I have done a lot of paintings and it is amazing. It's just fun doing that. Since I didn't even had colors, like no black color, no white color, I have to struggle to remove those old colors which were almost dried. So pani dal ke kiya, but anyways it turned out amazing. I just loved it. So today I have something great to show you guys. This is a folder in which I have my all the paintings and drawings and all those stuffs which I have done till now. Some are kiddish, some are really amazing, so I would love to share with you guys since it is something memorable and I was just watching those and I just loved that. So, and anyways, I'll be keeping this painting inside. Okay, so first is, yes, this also I have done. Okay, one thing, I'll just keep this at side and just remove one by one. Okay, first is this I have done few days back and it is amazing. It has turned out really amazing. I just fell in love with this like blue pink. I saw this on internet. I'll link that in the description box. And yes, this one also I have seen on YouTube and done. Yes, it haven't turned out that amazing as on that YouTube video, but yes, I have tried my best. You can also watch that and try. This is also amazing. I just loved it. Okay, next we'll go one by one. See, these are the smiley stickers. If you guys following me since a long time, you must be knowing I'm obsessed with smileys, and I have drawn this and painted this few days back and it's amazing. Okay, we'll do one thing, just rate one by one my paintings and we'll have fun. See, like this is my first, this is second. I'll do one thing, I'll put the numbers on the screen. These are the third one. And this also I did few like maybe 1-2 years back. So it's nice, yellow background with a heart and a girl and a boy. This is a attempt for a 3D hand which I have shown a video also, like I have done this on channel with you guys, so I'll link that also in the description box. This is also long back. Now comes this painting. I feel everyone must have done this painting once in their lifetime, and it is amazing. Like, this is shit, man. It's really nice. कितना मेहनत लगता है ऐसे स्टिपलिंग कर करके बनाना, but it looks real. It's a still life, and I have done this while my elementary or intermediate exam, but I just love this painting. So if you have done this painting anytime in life, just give a thumbs up to this video. This is also another black and white scenery. Now this is my drawing book का front page. Like हमारे स्कूल में ना ऐसा बोलते थे कि जो front page हो ना वो एकदम creatively बनाना. So ये ना मुझे Art Attack से idea आया था. If you guys must have seen Art Attack anytime, Mad का duplicate version था. So this is eraser, pencil, colors, paints, scale looks real, like बहुत अच्छा था. उस टाइम पे बहुत लोगों ने तारीफ़ करी थी. And this are from Art Attack, this effects. This is done with oil pastels. This, how can I forget this? This was the front page of my every notebook. Like shit, हमेशा मैं या तो हाई लिखती थी या तो ध्रुवी लिखती थी. बट दिस वॉज माई फेवरेट. लाइक इतना बाय हार्ट हो गया था ना, मैं देखे बिना ऐसे ही फटाफट कर लेती थी. बट राइट नाउ ऑब्वियसली आई कांट, बहुत टाइम हो गया. नाउ दिस इज महावीर भगवान. Yes, once I did and it turned out amazing. Like when I was a kid I did this drawing. The same thing which I said notebook पे. See इधर ध्रुवी लिखा है. The same duplicate one. See this. I was just obsessed with this cover page. Now I'll go fast. Like see ये scenery है. Same heart, mountain, sun, tree, lake. This is a bird which is also really nice. ये उससे भी छोटी थी तब भी रेनी सीजन का पिक्चर है. Like you're a frog and the mushroom rainbow. Like I was really kid, like maybe in 5th standard, 4th or 5th, I don't remember. This is a peacock. This is also I was really kid. Same, मतलब जो ईयर में ये किया है ना वही ईयर में ये वाला भी किया है. बिकॉज सी यू कैन सी द ड्राइंग बुक के पेजेस है. बट इट्स नाइस. व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? ये पेंसिल से बनाया था, स्मच फ्री. मुझे 5 मिला था 10 में से. इट वॉजंट दैट ग्रेट बट ठीक है, आई लव दिस सो आई केप्ट दैट. दिस इज़ फैमिली पिक्चर. येस ऑब्वियसली नथिंग दैट ग्रेट. वो स्केच नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली नाउ पीपल डू अ ग्रेट, but I was really kid. Like see ये 2008 का है. That is from now a years back. 7 on 10 मिला था. This is a fruit basket. See that's pumpkin, brinjal, blah 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 blah. Just have a look. Now this is a rabbit. इसमें मुझे 6 में से 10 मिला था. I'm sorry 6 मिला है 10 में से. ये rabbit है. ये 2007 का है. It's nice. Now this design I forgot what it is called. ये भी 2007. shit dates भी है. I never saw that. I forgot what it is called. If you guys remember, do let me know in the comment section. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Now this is the handwriting thing. We had to write our favorite quote, and this has lettering of proverb. Yeah, and this was my favorite proverb. Honesty is the best policy. Now this is again a rainy season. ये वही चीज़ है. रेनबो है, मशरूम है, फ्रॉग है, अ गर्ल है, लेक है. उसमें भी यही सेम चीज़ें थी प्रीवियसली आई थिंक. वेट वील जस्ट हैव अ लुक. या सी दिस काफ़ी बेटर है. इसमें मैं बड़ी हो गई थी इस कंपेयर से. सी लाइक रेनबो है, क्लाउड्स है, इसमें सन इधर है. सी but anyways improving. Now the drawings. Boot house, this is nice. A man with mangoes. Now there are figures, a lot of figures. A girl painting a girl from backside. I was learning, I don't know what. I wonder what I was doing those days. See, eating, prayer, kite flying, skipping. a girl dancing, a girl near window, a boy, a cricketer. See कितना मेहनत किया था. A lady, two ladies from side and from back angle. Now this is amazing, guys. I just loved this. Like Dairy Milk, attempt for a Dairy Milk wrapper, but ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर था, but it was amazing for that time. Now this is हम तुम. जब हम तुम रिलीज हुआ था, I made this हम तुम. Now a bee, like a flower and a bee, and this is also a flower. Kit Kat. I was obsessed with this drawing. Like कितना realistic बना था ये. Amul butter. Do let me know कैसा है. Camel poster colors. Now this is one of my first ever best drawing जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. That is sparrow. I guess I was in second or third standard when I did this. Now ये Ariel का pouch है. If you guys can see, I don't know how much you guys can see. बट ये पाउच है जिसको मैंने कलर नहीं किया कभी भी. आई डोंट नो वाई. मे बी डिफ़िकल्ट होगा. नाउ दिस इज़ अ कॉमिक बुक विच आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग लाइक कैरेक्टर्स एंड आई डोंट नो. सी यू गाइस कैन सी. ये भी आधा छोड़ दिया था मैंने. आई डोंट नो वाई. बट फिर टाइम नहीं मिला शायद से. आई डोंट नो. बट इट्स अमेजिंग. आई अटेम्प्टेड टू मेक अ कॉमिक बुक. Now the stupid names scribbling which I do at my book. Dhruvisha, Dhruvisha, Dhruvisha. Just write my names in different styles. Again Dhruvisha, Dhruvisha. This butterfly one is nice. I liked it. Dhruvi Princess Rocks. Dhruvisha. See this. Who has done this? Write their names infinite times. Like shit. Who has this and who has done this in life? Just hit like and do let me know in the comment section. Again Dhruvisha, Dhruvisha, Dhruvi, Dhruvi, Dhruvi. ये वो ब्रश से करते हैं ना, स्प्रे पेंटिंग मार के, वैसा किया. लाइक मेक अ लेटर्स, कट इट डाउन एंड जस्ट डू स्प्रे पेंटिंग ओवर दैट. ये भी पेंसिल से ही किया था एंड कलर्स एट द बॉर्डर. ध्रुविशा. ये मैंने मेरे भाई की बुक में करके दिया था. नील उसका नाम है. इट्स प्रीटी वेल. नाउ दिस सर्टिफिकेट. ये मैंने मैड में देख के सीखा था. Stamp border and the dash dash dash. It's nice. Again one more page. Dhruvi. Ye obsessed with this cover page. Now how can you forget Shin-chan? Who loves Shin-chan still? Hit like to this video and do let me know in the comment section. We'll have gossip about Shin-chan. This Doraemon. कभी देखा है Doraemon? This 90s kid may understand love of this guy. That is Noddy. Shit man, Noddy हमेशा best रहा था. Okay. Now nothing great. I tried to make a sketch, like to learn a sketch about, I don't know ये किसका sketch है. Okay, I would love to show you guys this drawing book. That is my Dhruvi M. Shah, which is of 2006. See, your dates are written. So everything is done in colors, nothing painting. This was the peacock, like in a rainy day. A joker. Fruit basket. Diya. क्रिसमस आई गेस. बट ये हाफ ही किया है. येस आई कैन सी ये हाफ ही है. काइट. अच्छा ये वो फोल्ड करके करते हैं ना, वो वाला है शायद. यस, ये भी हाफ ही है. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to rate my drawings and paintings out of 10 in the comment section. We'll have fun. And yeah, that was all for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye.